So y'all are loving the new chrysallis bracelet stacks. I am too. I'm gonna show you how I actually mix and match them. So let me show you how they come. So I'll take Pink Quartz Glow, which is stunning. You're gonna get a set of 3, super, super stretchy. And you know that we operate on a bracelet technology that warms up with your body temperature. So if you have a thicker wrist, don't worry, it's going to expand after a few hours. But you're getting all of this yummy hematite pave. And we'll take this one. Pink, and then what else should we mix? So I'm gonna take 1 piece of Pink Quartz Glow, and then I'm gonna mix it in with, lemon pop, and then we'll do, I'm thinking evergreen jade. All right, so let's see what this mix looks like. Absolutely stunning, love that, but I want more on the wrist. Let's keep playing. All right, so, you know what? I'm gonna tell y'all a secret. This is actually the most limited. This is the Coastal Calm Blue. This is almost sold out. So if you love the blue, and I think the girls love it because it vibes really, really well with your denims, but she plays beautifully. And just a word about natural God-made pieces. They're all different, so yours aren't gonna look like mine because they are natural stone. All right, so loving this, but I wanna fill up the other arm, so let's go a little orange creme. And then I'm gonna bring back in the jade. And I'm just, so this is just for extra because we extra. So they play beautifully with the Zuma stretch bracelet stack. I love the crescent moon on it, but I'm gonna actually separate them. So I'll do the blue here and I'll do 2 over here. Now that is what you call an entire arm party. Beautifully sparkling, and then all we need is some studs. So let's see which color. Because my dominant color is pink, I'm gonna contrast it with green. So I'm gonna go for the evergreen jade double studs. Now there are 1,000 different ways to rock these, as you know, so you can take the back off and just rock it just like that with a regular earring back. Or you could put the ball in the front of your lobe and have this as your back, or you could rock it the way that it actually comes with this in the front. So let's do that. Let's follow the rules.
Hey, what inspired you to create the chrysallis collection?
Actually, Mother Nature makes the best jewelry. That's what, Mother Nature has the best materials. We've had chrysallis collection, I wanna say the first iteration was 2019, 2020, but nothing performs like the bracelets and the earrings. So they're back in a new, reimagined way with new color stories. So girl, yeah, and you guys are evidently loving it, but I am gonna go with the green. And these are so lightweight, so y'all know we go on a weight scale of 1 to 4. 1 means it's really, really light, can't feel it like a stud. A 4 is like a door knocker, heavy, 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 okay? This, I'm gonna shake my head so you can see how my earlobe is interacting with it. It's so not there, so not there. So this is both cute and comfy, which is what we love.